Hi, today I'll demonstrate the use of LiteSync. LiteSync is a library used to synchronize SQLite database. In this example, I will demonstrate star topology. It can also be used in a peer-to-peer topology. And in the star topology, the difference is that we have a node that binds to a TCP addresses and all the secondary nodes connect to that addresses. So here we have at the left an SSH access to a Linux box, and here at the right we have these two Windows command prompts. So I will open a SQLite database here on the Linux box working as a primary node, and then I will have two secondary nodes here on Windows. So let's start it. Here we have the SQLite shell open, and we will now open the database using an URI. We need to inform what kind of node this one is. So this is a primary node, and we must inform that it must bind to a TCP address. Okay, if we run this pragma command, oh man, we can see that this database is using LiteSync. It's a primary node. It has a node ID equal to 1, and each node must have a unique node ID, and it is automatically assigned. And this node has no peers connected to it. So here I'll do the same on Windows. But in this case it will be a secondary node, and we will connect to that Linux device using this address. Once we open that database and we do here the sync status, we see that that node is now connected here. A secondary node is connected. It has a node ID equals to 2, and it's okay. Now let's do the same here. So this is a secondary node 2, and it will connect that primary node. And now if we list the status here, we have these two peers connected to this primary node. Okay, now we can list the tables here on this database, and we see that it has already two tables that are automatically created by LiteSync and are internal tables. These same tables appears This same table appears on the other databases. Now let's create a new table here, and let's list the tables. We already have this table that was created on this node appearing on this another secondary node and even on the primary node. So the three nodes has this table now. Now I can insert a row in this table using this node, and this one I will let this command already ready to be used. So with this and here and this, and the record is already here. It was inserted here and appears in this node, and it also may appear here. Okay, so in this example all the three nodes are connected to each other, and LiteSync allows our applications to work or read and even write to the database when they are offline. So to simulate that, I will close the primary node. So here now, if you run this sync status, we see that it has no peers connected to it. The secondary node is not connected to the primary node anymore. Neither of these two. So we can now insert new records. This is the node number 3, and this is the node number 2. And we insert these records. If we list the rows that are in this table, we see that here in this database we have this record that was inserted only here, and in this one we have this record that was inserted only here. They are not connected to each other because we are using a star topology, and they need the primary node to be open. So we will open the primary node, and then now once those two secondary nodes get connected to the primary node, they will synchronize. Oh, they are already connected, then they are already synchronized. Let's check here and even here. Okay, we have all these records. So this is it for a basic introduction. Check the next video about the row IDs in LiteSync, and if you have any question, please send us an email or contact via forum. Thank you.